Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start now, get cold cream and a chilled juicer bowl because temperature matters. Pour 1 cup heavy cream and add 2 tablespoons sugar plus 1 teaspoon vanilla into the feed. Secure the lid, choose a low speed, then pulse in 3 5-second bursts while watching texture. The why? Cold fat traps air better, and pulsing prevents overworking the emulsion. Once you see soft bubbles forming, stop pulsing and assess. Don't leave it running unattended. Once done with initial aeration, move to medium speed in controlled bursts to build structure and volume. You need patience. Increase speed only in 5-7-second intervals, then pause and check by tipping the bowl. Soft peaks should form and hold for a moment. The why? Gradual shear creates stable air cells without breaking the cream. Make sure to scrape sides between bursts so all liquid gets incorporated. If it thickens unevenly, slow down and pulse until uniform. You finish by stopping as soon as medium-stiff peaks form. Give one last short 1-2-second pulse to even texture and then remove immediately. The why? Continued spinning turns cream into butter, so timing is critical. If it looks grainy or separated, add 1-2 tablespoons of very cold cream and gently repulse in short bursts to rescue the emulsion. Make sure to chill and use within 24 hours, and if it overwhips, consider blending in fresh cream little by little.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.